If you wonder how to create lifelike, professional voiceovers without hearing a voice actor, welcome to our ElevenLabs tutorial where you'll discover the power of AI-generated voices in just a few minutes and just a few simple steps. I'll show you how to transform your scripts to captivating audio content that sounds natural and engaging. Let's unlock the future of voiceovers together. So hi guys, I welcome in this video. I'll show you step by step how you can create professional AI generated. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into ElevenLabs.io. You have your first information like AI audio here. You can just use this website to transform text to speech to speech, text to VX, voice cloning, voice isolator. Then about products, we have projects, dubbing studio, audio native, voiceover studio, voice library, and we have reader apps. About the solution, we have enterprise here. In skill, we have enterprise, teams, creators. Industries, we have publishing, media and entertainment, conversational AI, and customer. Also, here we have APA. So we have a various information before getting started to more understand about this website. Then we have supercharge your projects with the most powerful AI audio APA. If we scroll down, we have here high quality, low latency turbo model. Then we have build faster than ever, easy integration on any web page, enterprise already here. See how developers and business and leverage speech. We have products, conversational here, and we have your API plans that scale with you, and we have frequently asked questions. You can just click over here and get your answer about each question you want. Then if we come back to the top here and click over pricing, so it's absolutely for free for individual who wants to try out the most advanced AI audio. So we have 10k character per month, 10 minutes audio here. First things, we have generate speech in 32 languages using thousands of unique voices, translate content with automatic dubbing, create custom synthetic voices, generate sound effects, APA access also, and you have other things here. So about company, we have here safety blockers. You can just click over the one you want and know more about this website. So in the home page, we have here create the most realistic speech with our AI audio platform, pioneering research in text to speech, AI voice generator, and more. So we have here getting started for free, but before let's give it a try. So the
In the
first
ancient
things we
land of
have here,
Eldoria, where the skies were
text to
painted with
speech,
shades of
speech to
mystic
speech,
hues and the
dubbing,
forest
text to
whispered secrets
VX,
of
and
old,
voice
there
cloning.
existed a
And here you
dragon named
select the
Zephyros.
language you want,
Unlike the
then you
fearsome
select
tales of
tell
dragons
story
that
here.
plagued human hearts in the
You can
ancient land
see
of Eldoria, where
introduce
the
a
skies were
podcast
painted with Welcome to 11 Degrees,
or
your
create
gateway to the
video
cutting
voice
edge of it.
over.
Hey there, did you know that in a room of just 23
And then
people,
here we
there's a
have
50%
various
chance that
actors.
two
You
of
can
them
choose
share
the
the
one you
same
want.
birthday?
Callum,
Sounds
for
crazy, right?
example,
This is
choose
called the birthday
Charlie, Charlo,
paradox.
Chris, Daniel, Sarah, Will, and other things. And if we click over speech to speech, you can just click over here and start recording. Then dubbing here, text to SVX. We have here lion, powerful lion rodent, and the African savanna. And we have other options like here the dog. You can just choose the generation 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have here fireworks exploding in the night sky. And the last one we have dog. If we scroll down, we have voices fit for all of your ideas, sorry, and we have making content universally accessible, complete voice AI tools, AI safety at ElevenLabs also, and we have here AI audio solutions for any skill or need. So the first one we have here creators, scale your productions and expand your reach globally without compromising on quality. Teams, we have simplify managing and collaboration on projects with flexible AI workflows. Enterprise, we have access our advanced models with dedicated support at a price point that scales with you. And here we have also our creative side of AI audio tools. Reimagine professional workflows, and you can get started for free here. But if you come back to the top, you can just click over here and get started for free by write your email and your password, then you confirm it by your email and you get started. This is the home page. We have here our voice information, like here we have speech, voices, but before we have two options here, simple or advanced. We have here text to speech, speech to speech, and also here we have generate history also, then you generate speech. So if you come back, here you will type your start typing here and or paste any text you want to turn into lifelike speech. So we have here speech to speech. You can just record or upload the audio. Then you choose the actor you want here. Then we have here in settings, we have various things like stability here. You can choose more valuable, more stable. In similarity, we have low, high, and you can just set exaggeration here or more. And here you can use switch on or switch off speaker posts, and then you generate speech. So that's it about settings. And if we click over voices here, we have here all personal, community, default, and about voice type. You can select professional and generated. Also in recently used, you can recently used alphabetical also, or and start searching about your voices. In sound effects, we have here generate. You can discover sound effects and then click generate. Then projects, we have also other things. As you can see, voiceover studio. You can just add a video by clicking to upload for dragging and dropping the file, or you can create voiceover. In dubbing studio, we have here what can you use dubbing for. First things, we have social media, media and entertainment, marketing, education and learning, and dubbing project name. You can just write it, option, then search languages and target language, and you select the one you want. Then you start by YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, other UL. Then that's it. But with Dubbing Studio, what we have here audio native right now. So we can get started with audio native. As you can see,
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
also you can play video here and about voice isolator.